I'm going to watch TV. Ugh. Get the new game. It's called Xbox 360S. It's not new. It's just the same thing as Xbox 360, but you're probably asking why should I buy it? That's just the same thing as an Xbox 360. It's because it's new, and also if you don't get it, then you are a stupid person with a dumb face. Go get it and be cool like your friends. Oh boy, I can't wait. Oh. I'm going to the pawn shop. Hey kid, well, what do you want? I want the Xbox 360S. Alright, it costs us like $1,000 million. So, what? So, how much money you got? I just thought it was for like $1. So, yeah, here you go. Sorry, kid, that's not enough. But maybe we could reach an agreement on that watch. My watch? But I had it ever since when I stole it from a black guy. Alright, guess you're not gonna be cool like me. Because I got this modified controller that Tony Hawk and Tupac used. Yeah, but it wasn't even out way before when Tupac was alive. Listen, do you want the controller in game or not? Fine. Oh man, I hope that my dad doesn't get mad, because he really likes that watch. Alright, time to play it. Excuse me, kid, do you know, where's the watch? I'm going to go show it to my girlfriend. Where did you even get this Xbox 360S? I found it. Where you get the controller? I found it. Where did you get this game? I found that too. Alright, okie dokie. Time to be the coolest looking dolphin out there. I'm going. There we go. Got my bling now. Yeah. Hold on. Well, time to sell it. Yeah, can I get that watch? Sure. Thanks for the money. Finally. Sharon! Coming! Why did he even sell to our kid? I didn't sell him. Anyways, well, thanks for the new watch. I needed one. Whew, that's heavy. Alright, well, here I come. Just going to sleep. Alright, that's all we're going to do. What the heck are you chewing? Gum. I can't find the watch anywhere. Hold on. Yo, where you sell the thing? I can't sell out the information unless you have a controller. Oh. Who did you sell it to? A cop. Where did they went? I can't tell you unless you give me the console. Bumpo. Hold on. They're both. Alright. So they went to the Evergreen Street. Alright. Here I come. controller, and here I come, watch.